is better that the opposing force reduce itself, willingly come under only our influence. A contented herd is best. The demiurge. Tactics for the deep world. Just as the deep state is sandwiched between the Constitution and the actual state, the deep world is between the foundation of world and the lived-in world. The foundational world can be either magical, as if God, Big Bang, or spontaneous outpouring of will, or non-magical, that is conforming to the laws of physics as we experience them. But I want to talk about the deep world of esoteric agents, laws of nature, risk, and non-human consciousness that invisibly interpenetrate our real lived-in world.
So again, they claim a lot else is about like.
We needed one thing which our own resources could not make available to us. That vital need was the information available in Washington.
Esoteric information exists wherever secrets are kept by government, by others. Esoteric agents may know, or only think they know. So a tactic is to look beyond the words to any past event that can also be seen today. A confirmation, a confidence of knowledge. The Book of Enoch, the Freemasons, the Vatican Library, Bigelow Aerospace, the Deep State Military Industrial Intelligence Media Complex. These agents seek to get stronger in the blood of men fodder, while they delude themselves that the demiurge does not also have its version of Sun Tzu's Art of War. Existence is no hide-and-seek game to be entrusted to children. The forces of fate, of nature, of the laws of physics conspire to provide scarcity in a land of plenty. Nothing fails like success, and the ever-morphing cycles of history meander a course of novel repetition to ensure that the demiurgic farmer is content. The discoveries of entanglement, of wave function collapse of the nuclear forces are causing the farmer to notice his productive flock. The tactic here is confidence in the human power over time, in pure creativity, and belief in the understandable. The topology of risk lays bare the chance that all life takes. Risk is reward, until it is not. And the rending of good fortune and bad happenstance results sometimes in Roswell, in the history of Ezra, in the gifts to Muhammad and Ezekiel, and Jesus in the Pistis Sophia. Once we were welcomed, open hearts and clutching resolve. The farmer has family after all. The tactic here is to know limits, test limits, respect limits, endure limits, surpass limits. After 6,000 years of written history, we are on an unstoppable path to total transparency. But can we be assured that machine intelligence will be on our side and has not already been usurped by the archons, angels, aliens, watchers, Nephilim, whatever name you like, or the demiurge themselves? When the Black Triangle returns on its routine decadal journey, will it realize the bull has gone rogue and let loose the cleansing dogs of war, burst the dams, or drive the mad flock over a cliff? The tactic here is to compassionately understand the majesty of responsibility of existence and understand that human freedom has tremendous value.